everyone, just wanted to share with you guys a new kitchen appliance that I purchased. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe pressure cooker. It comes with this book of recipes. This is what I'm making, the pepperoni pizza pasta bake. It's supposed to look like that. We'll see once it comes out. It looks good, doesn't it? Look at that. Here are all the ingredients. We have the mozzarella, the olive oil, the oregano, basil, black pepper, red wine vinegar, kosher salt, red pepper, some olive cloves, and of course we have the pasta, the rigatoni, some onion, pureed tomato, peeled tomato, chicken broth, the pepperoni. And so I've already set it to the medium-high setting on sear saute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the ingredients in there, and then when it's done, I'll come back and show you what it looks like, okay? Especially how it tastes. All right, so it just stopped, and that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and put some on a plate. There's the finished product. It looks a little messy, but it looks yummy at the same time. So Jacob, why don't you tell us what the verdict is on the recipe?
It was good. It was a little tangy at first, but some salt fixed it up, and it was really yummy.
Would you want me to make this recipe again?
Mm-hmm.
What I would have done different is put less onion, less garlic, and a little more salt, and that would have been perfect flavoring for our family. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have the Food Ninja at home, give it a try. It's pretty good. Till next time.